We're starting with 2 cups of regular potato chips and 1 stick of melted butter.
And to that, we're going to be adding 1 cup of half and half.
2 eggs.
And then you're going to be adding an entire 8-ounce tub. That's 1 cup of sour cream. Once that's all in there, you're going to give this a really, really, really good mix. We're going to add half of this bag, so just 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese. We'll be adding some Old Bay seasoning, add some paprika, and some onion powder. Add a little bit of black pepper, and then we're going to repeat the process with the second layer of potato chips. Spread out that second layer. We're topping it with the rest of that Colby Jack cheese. A little bit more Old Bay, just a little bit more paprika. And this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Oh my God. I'm going to cut into it. Oh, look. Oh, just came out just like a slice of pie. That's amazing. Cheesy potato goodness. It doesn't taste like potato chips at all. It tastes like mashed potatoes. This is amazing.